Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking. My name is Anne, and today's video I'll be showing you how to make black seed or black cumin oil. Okay, so I have my powdered black seed. If yours is not in the powdered form, all you have to do is blend it or grind it to make it in the powder state. I have my coconut oil, I have my castor oil, and I have my extra virgin olive oil. So guys, my main carrier oil is the coconut oil, so I'm going to transfer the black seed powder into the coconut oil, which is in the jar. Now the combination of the coconut oil and the black seed is very effective in promoting hair growth. Also, a key component in the black seed, which is thymoquinone, has antioxidant properties that may relieve inflammation. It is also rich in fatty amino acids, which altogether helps scalp conditions, treats dandruff, treats shedding and thinning of hair, and most importantly, promote hair growth. Alright, so I added half a spoon of castor oil to the mixture. Then I gave it a stir for a while. Alright, so this is my extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add half a spoon of it as well. Now you have to stir the mixture very well. So guys, if not yet subscribed to the channel, please remember to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Like this video and share it to friends and family. Now cover the jug with its lid and leave it in an ordinary temperature for 2 days, while occasionally you shake it to enhance infusion. So after the 2 days, you can apply it to your scalp and massage, then you rinse it after 3 hours. Thank you for watching this video. Stay in for more.